Now this is the last question, 11a. We are asked to write 2x positive 2y negative 1 and 5x positive 4y is equal to 6 in matrix form. In ax is equal to b, and we have to state what is a, what is x, and what is b. Now in matrix form, a will be the coefficients of x, y. So 3, 2, 5, 4. And the capital X is going to be the variables x and y. And b is going to be the constants negative 1 and 6. So ax is equal to b is nothing but, you need to write this, 3, 2, 5, 4. X and y is equal to negative 1 and 6. So this is the solution for this question. Now use matrix method to find what is x and what is y. Now this is a solution. Okay, so ax is equal to b. This means x is equal to a inverse of b. You'll have to find the a inverse. A inverse is nothing but determinant of a multiplied with the adjoint of a. This is the formula. Now determinant of a is nothing but, you multiply 4 with 3. When you are multiplying along this side, you take a negative side, so 5 times 2. So 4 3s are 12, negative 10 will give me 2. So the determinant of a is equal to 2. So now the adjoint. Now to find the adjoint of a, what do we do is, we interchange the positions of 3 and 4. So 4 goes to 3's place and 3 will go to 4 place. Now when you are moving along this side, this direction, you will have to add a negative sign. So that is going to be negative 5 and negative 2. So this is the adjoint of a. So now a inverse is going to be the entire thing, 1 over determinant plus, or I would say product multiplied with 4, negative 2, negative 5 and 3. So this is one part. The next part is, you will have to take the inverse and a inverse times b. This is going to give me my x. So it's going to be 1 over 2, 4, negative 2, negative 5 and 3 times b is negative 1 and 6. So row is multiplied with the column. So 4 times negative 1 plus negative 2 times 6, row with the column. So row with the column, negative 5 times negative 1 plus 3 times 6. So this is 1 over 2 times 4 into negative 1 is negative 4, negative 12, positive 5 and positive 18, which is 1 over 2 times negative 16, and this is going to give me 16 divided by 2 and 23 divided by 2. This is going to be my capital X. So if you were to rewrite this, this is going to be x and y is equal to negative 8 and 11.5. Right, 23 is divided by 2, 11.5 times. So therefore x is equal to negative 8 and y is equal to 11.5. Now if you remember, we have the system. So I can also give you the check. 3x positive 2y is equal to 1 and 5x positive 4y is equal to 6. This is 1 and 2. So we substitute x is equal to negative 8 and y is equal to 11.5. So we need to get the right hand side. So this is going to give me negative 24. This is going to give me, right, 23. So apparently this is negative 1. Right, that system is negative 1. So this is going to give me negative 1, which is equal to the right hand side, negative 1. Right, this is negative 1. It's given in the question. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, and the check holds. Check holds true. Now this is the last part. you're given a vector. This question has got a figure, so let me draw the figure. Now we got OS. This is negative 4,3 and you get another one. This is R 6,2. So this is x-axis, y-axis. Now write as column vector in the form of x and y. So we have to write the components in column vector. OR. Okay, OR. So what is OR? OR is 6, 2. So this is the first part. Second part, we have to write OS. So what is OS? OS is negative 4,3. So this is the way you need to write. Don't draw any lines in between. That's incorrect. Okay, next we have to write SR. Now SR is nothing but OR vector negative OS vector. So OR vector is 6, 2. OS vector is negative 4 and 3. So this is going to be 6 positive 4 to negative 3, which is 10 negative 1. Okay, this is the answer for SR vector. I hope you are watching. Alright, let's move on to the next part. We have to find out the magnitude of OS vector. So OS is negative 4, 3. So square root of negative 4 squared positive 3 squared. 16 positive 9, which is root of 25, which is equal to 5 units. So this is the magnitude. Okay, now we are given the last section. OT is 2 and 5. We are asked to prove that OSTR is a parallelogram. So T is somewhere over here, right? So T is given as 2 and 5. Now if I can show that ST and OR are same and their magnitudes are equal, then clearly it's a parallelogram. Okay, so ST vector is OT vector minus OS vector. OT vector is 2, 5 and OS is negative 4 and 3. Now this is equal to 2 negative negative positive 5 negative 3. This is going to be 6 and 5 negative 3 is 2. So what is this? This is my ST vector. 6 and 2. Now go to OR. What is OR? See here OR is 6 and 2. Since OR vector is equal to ST vector and magnitude of OR vector is equal to root of 6 squared plus 2 squared, 36 positive 4, which is 40, and also the magnitude of ST vector magnitude will also be 40, right, because of the fact ST is 6 and 2. Okay, so this is nothing but magnitude of ST vector. So how do you conclude it? You can make this following conclusion. Okay. Since OR vector is equal to ST vector and the magnitude of OR vector is equal to root of 40 and the magnitude of ST vector is also root of 40, since OR vector magnitude is equal to ST vector magnitude, say from 1 and 2, OSTR forms a parallelogram. Okay, so that completes the paper analysis and study of January 2015. Until we meet again, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everybody.